Hello and welcome back to 911 Scales. My name is Michael and today we are doing another What's in the Box video. Last time I had this huge box with so many models in there. This time we have a smaller one, but there should be some lovely models in here too. For you who's tuned in for the very first time, thank you very much for checking out my channel and the content I'm producing. Usually I also do proper model car reviews. And if you like, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out spreading the passion for Porsche model cars, and I'm pretty sure the information will also help you with your next Porsche model car purchase. So, this box, let's open it up. Yeah, actually great packaging compared to the last one. This one is not bought by a follower or person I personally know. This here was bought off eBay, so I'm very happy with the packaging of this one. Usually people on eBay package their models actually very well. We have here again, which looks very nice, and also is the model is on a good quality and a good state, pristine condition. We have a 996.2 911 GT3 in this lovely yellow color theme, and this is actually a good GT3 model, not the one which I reviewed, the 991.6 generation GT3, which was actually a GT3 Cup. But this here is a proper one. The link to the review of the first generation GT3, the very first GT3, is down in the description below. So the next model, which is actually completely new. In 981 Cayman GTS in a red color combination with some very nice wheels. This here is actually one of the instances where a follower me contacted me on Instagram quite some month ago and asked if I have this specific model here, and he's from Belgium, so it's not always so easy to get models. Here in Germany models are usually a bit less expensive because we have so many here. And yeah, I found it on eBay, and this will go to him to Belgium. If you are searching for a model, always feel free to hit me up on Instagram or write me an email, and then I put it on my list, and when I see it on eBay I'll contact you, and then I can buy it for you and ship it to you. So let's open these two boxes here up. The 981 looks very nice. Sure, the box, the display case is a bit dirty, but that's usually not a problem. And this one has this very lovely dark red GTS specific carmine red, I think it is called. This red color looks very nice, and also the wheels look very good. Well, then the next one, which I actually opened on the wrong side of the box. Usually this is here on the side to open. This is a very old model, always also not quite, but very soon this will also be 20 years old. This lovely 996 GT3, which looks also very good. It's not on the same quality standard as this. Came in here, both are made by Minichamps. Yeah, this is an older model, it's also a bit dusty, but it's not a problem, I can clean that up. I just wanted to have this one again, because I feel that the 996, as in real life, the models are also not appreciated by the community, and I think we have to make the 996 great again, right? So let me know if I should do a proper review of one of these two models. I think they are very lovely to look at, and I'm great to have them here. This one, as I told you, is going to a follower to Belgium who has, I think, if I remember correctly, this car as a real car, so very nice. He can have his car as a model car as well. So again, two lovely models. My other content, the reviews for example, are linked down in the description below. Make sure to check these out. Also, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out spreading the passion for Porsche model cars. Thank you very much again. Tune in next time when I explore the Porsche model car world in 911 scales. Ciao!